Ooh, which one did you get?
Styler.
Oh.
Sushi Styler.
Let me see her. Oh, she's beautiful. I love her. And is this her little sister? The one that you got in the small one? They look similar. Their hair's different though. Cool. And you got little boots to go with it. And what is that? A little hair extension? And a little suitcase. Cool.
Scrim.
You love those Hairdorables, don't you, girl?
I got Sushi Styler.
Yes, ma'am. One of your favorite birthday presents from Godmother Judy. Nana. Awesome.
One boots.
Aw, so cute.
For boots.
Yay. Say thank you, Godmom. Thank you, Nana.
Thank you.
God bless.
God bless.
Oh, goodness, there's something hot under there. Oh, the pedestal. Okay, cool. Happy birthday, Ashlyn.
My birthday.